You know, not long ago, I began to do something every morning that I didn't think I wasn't doing. And it's made a big difference in the way I attack the world each day and the way I feel every day. And that thing, it's going to sound really strange, especially from a guy who wants you to see his podcast on a regular basis on YouTube or to listen to the show. But I'm going to advocate this. Every day when I get up in the morning, after I've created a positive way of myself being that I've got enough time and that I've got enough sleep, I don't reach for my phone. In fact, I stay away from my phone for at least an hour. An hour. And it seemed like it would be not a big deal and it wouldn't be hard, but it was. At first, it was really, really hard. And it's still not the easiest thing in the world to do. But it has created for me a clarity and presence to begin my day that you wouldn't believe. Because being able to unplug from the digital world is something that if you don't do often, or don't try to do at least regularly, you will get lost in the craziness and the freneticness and the negativity and the comparison in the world that is doing nothing but making you unhappy on a regular basis. These things are happening, okay? And it's most of it is in the world of being plugged in. You know, turn your phone off and go for a walk. Okay, don't take it with you. Don't take any music with you. Just walk. Listen for your footsteps. Feel the wind or the rain or the sunshine on you. Sit quietly somewhere in your house where there's not a television, you can't see any digital clock, anything. Do it for an hour every day. This is as close to meditation without meditation that you probably could regularly do. Now, because of this, I've started to play with the idea of meditation each day. I'm very bad at it, but I am trying. But it has made a huge difference because I found more peace in who I am. I found more clarity. It's given me something around staying present and calm and centered that I don't regularly have because I deal with ADHD on a regular basis. If you don't do it for you, do it for your family. Do it for your business. Just do it for the peace it'll create for you. I'm telling you, it is something that is so extraordinary that if you make a habit of this, it'll change things for you. And I'd like to know how it does for you. Some of you I know have tried this. Maybe you have never tried it before. But it's not, don't just do it once. Plan to do it for a week and see what happens. Okay, put your phone out of your room and in the morning, wait for an hour before you go find it. And tell me what you think. And tell me what you think in the podcast notes below. Or reach out to me personally, bill@billherman.com. Check out my workshop. I'd like to tell you more about that too, entertainment-experience.com. And until next time, I'll see you on Creative License with Bill Herman next Thursday. Bye.